Hey guys, Dr. Noah here again with two quick neck stretches. Your neck may be tight from working at a desk, from sleeping on the wrong side of the bed, or from some sort of injury. These are gonna help make you feel a lot better. So we're gonna start with my favorite neck stretch, which I call the chicken wing stretch, or if you're a vegetarian, you can call it the soy wing stretch. So we're gonna start with our right hand, and we're gonna take that behind our back and grab our wrist with our left hand. So just like that. And you can see my left arm sort of looks like a little chicken wing or soy wing. So make sure your feet are about shoulder width apart. We're gonna pull our right arm over to the left, take our left ear to our left shoulder, and just breathe. And you should feel the stretch coming down the right side of your neck. Then we're gonna breathe and hold this here for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then we're gonna stay in the same position, keep pulling your arm over to the left. We're gonna turn our head down, so we're looking down at the ground. And that's gonna move where you feel the stretch a little bit to the back of your neck. Now again, breathe, hold this for about 10 to 15 seconds. And then we're gonna slowly turn our head until we're looking up at the ceiling, making sure that we're still pulling the arm over to the left. Hold that again, 10 to 15 seconds, keep breathing, and then we're gonna turn back to the side first, and then rotate back to center, and shake it out. And then we're gonna go and do the same thing on the other side. So left hand, left wrist with the right arm, we got that right side chicken wing now, or soy wing, and the reason that I love this stretch is because it allows you to really stretch out the neck, because our neck muscles actually connect to the head and the shoulder. And so when we grab the hand and we pull that shoulder down, we actually lengthen out the muscle, and it's a lot safer than if we were to take our hand and put it on our head and kind of pull like this. The problem with this is that we can pull our head a lot farther than we can pull our shoulder down. So you risk actually overstretching the muscle. That can make you feel a lot worse. So don't pull the head, rather pull the shoulder across with that motion. The other benefit is that when our head is over to the side like this, we're stretching out the side of the neck muscles. When our head is down, we stretch out the back of the neck muscles. And when our head is up, we stretch out the front of the neck muscles. So in this one simple stretch, we can actually get all three parts of the neck muscles and really help relieve some tension. So give that one a try. Now the second stretch we're gonna do is what I call the steering wheel stretch. So again, we're gonna start with our feet shoulder width apart. Put your hands forward and pretend you're grabbing an imaginary steering wheel. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't hold my steering wheel down here or up here. It's right in front of you, making sure that shoulder is nice and straight. That's gonna help with the tension. We're working on the neck here, we don't wanna create a lot of tension in the shoulders. So straight forward, we're gonna breathe in, and then on our exhale, we're gonna turn our head over to the left as far as we can, and keep your hands right here on that steering wheel. Steering wheels don't move, they're right here. Now, you may not be able to get as far over as me, or you may be more flexible than me and turn your head a lot further away. Doesn't matter, you're just increasing your own personal range of motion. So after we've held this for about 10 to 15 seconds, we'll come back to center, shake it out for a second, then we'll grab that steering wheel again and turn over to the right side. Now, a big key here is that every time you exhale, so we breathe in, and when we exhale, we're gonna try and turn our head just a little bit further away. Remember that exhale helps you to relax the muscle a little bit. And then we'll come back to center and shake it out. And that's it. And I love the steering wheel stretch because this isn't just about the flexibility of the muscle, it's also the mobility, the ability for that muscle to move and turn, which is great for things like driving, of course, steering wheel driving, but all of your daily activities, it's good to have that, mobility of the neck outside of mobility with your body. So there you have it, two simple, easy neck stretches that you can do on a regular basis. If you have neck stiffness or pain, these can be great. If you don't have any pain, these can be awesome for helping to prevent pain in the future. One quick recommendation though is that if you're gonna do these as part of a warm-up for a workout, make sure that you do a little bit of cardio first just to get your blood flowing before you start statically moving the neck around, but you can do these during the day if not. So I hope you find that helpful. Take care, and I'll talk to you next time.